Good morning, guys. So I was doing some cleaning this morning, and in the back of my refrigerator, I completely forgot, but I actually had some kimchi left. Nothing like the smell of aged kimchi in the morning. Wake you right up. So today, we are gonna pan fry them, and we're gonna put them in a frittata. And I'm gonna throw in some of my other favorite vegetables and a bratwurst as well. All right, this is gonna be amazing. As you may or may not know, the flavor of kimchi changes as it continues to ferment. So this one has been in the refrigerator for about a month, and since it's aged, it's going to have more of this sour smell. And this is perfect for pan frying. So this kimchi has already been chopped into small pieces, and we're going to need half a cup. If you need to chop your kimchi, just use scissors. If you put them on a cutting board, it's going to stain it all red. All right, and here's our ingredients we're gonna work with today. All right, let's chop up the bratwurst first. And I like to just cut these into small rings. Guys, also Italian sausage works very well. Or if you have some chorizo, oh yeah. And then I have 2 strips of bacon. All right, and if you're vegetarian, just use 2 or 3 types of mushrooms, shiitake, button. Next, we're gonna just use half an onion. Cut it right down the middle. Then I'm gonna just make cuts like this. Next, potato about the size of your palm. All right, we'll just use the whole potato. And last but not least, I have some perilla leaves here. I'm going to use around 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use around 5 leaves. And then just take off the stems. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. We're going to put this here. We're going to save this for garnish. Guys, I also bought some baby greens. These baby greens just make everything look really good. And then we're going to make a quick vinaigrette that we can toss the salad in. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. That's 1. And 3. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And alright, and 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and then half a teaspoon of lemon juice. A few shakes of salt, and then some black pepper. Give it a taste. And then we're going to use 4 eggs. It's going to be an omelet enough for 2 people. Give it a nice whisk. Give a few shakes of salt. Good. Normally when you make frittatas, you're going to use like 6 to 8 eggs. But since we're only using 4 for a 2-person serving, use a pan that's roughly the size of your hand. Put it on a medium heat. We get a little bit of oil in the pan. Once the pan is hot, let's cook up our meat first. Yeah. Let's get these bratwursts nice and crispy. All right, and once you start to get a nice crisp on these bad boys, oh man, we'll move these guys to the side. Then we'll add in our potatoes and our onions. And then let's let the potatoes cook through. Guys, if you're hungry, you can just take a bite of the bratwurst. So good. And once the potatoes start getting a crisp, make room, and then we're gonna add in our kimchi. And we'll just let that cook for a little bit. And we're gonna cook it until the kimchi gets a little bit of a crisp on it as well. This makes me feel like I'm out camping. This looks about good. And guys, one thing when you cook kimchi on a frying pan, the seasoning will burn on the bottom. So one thing I like to do is I like to take this out first. And you see all this? This is all from the kimchi seasoning. I would recommend just giving it a quick wash. Alright guys, then we're going to put some oil in the pan again. Let's put this on a medium-low heat. Alright, once it's hot, we'll put our filling back in. And now we'll dump in our eggs. Go slowly and go around the pan. Nice. And we'll make sure that all of the fillings are covered. Now we'll just put a lid on so that it covers the top. Then we're going to wait 1 minute. Alright guys, after about 1 minute, just use your spatula to make sure that these guys are not sticking. So just go around the pan like that once. And next, if you have an oven at home, put it in there for like 2 to 3 minutes. And in Korea, many studios don't have ovens. So what I like to do is I like to just put the lid on, put this on a low heat, and I'm gonna just let it finish cooking like this. This is what we have, guys. Beautiful. I'm gonna take out the omelet. Hopefully it comes out pretty easily. Oh wow, there we go. Nice. Alright guys, to this I want to add some of this perilla leaves. Oh, it's so nice. Look at those colors. Yes. Then I'm going to add some of our baby greens on top as well. Just mix it over the top like that. Guys, into this I'm going to just add a few spoonfuls of vinaigrette sauce for the salad over the top like that. All right. Just get a little nice coating over the top. Beautiful like that. There is an awesome kimchi bratwurst frittata. Very nice. I'm very happy with it. All right, guys. Then let's cut ourselves a nice slice. Oh, yeah. Oh, where's the tip? That's some horrible cutting. All right, guys. Then we'll just get a little bit of salad. And let me show you how it looks. Look at the layers. We got some kimchi, some potato on top. And the edge is crispy. Almost looks like a Pizza Hut crust. All right, and then we'll go for a big slice like here. Bratwurst and kimchi would taste so good together. Germany, Korea, perfect couple. And I'm so impressed by the perilla leaves. They cut right through all the noise, all that egg, and then they show their personality, their full flavor. Very nice. Like I said, if you're having some troubles with your relationship, take a Sunday off, make some kimchi bratwurst frittata, and just heal together, baby. Just heal. You cook together, you eat together, you become one, okay? If only it was as simple as that.